In this video, you are going to learn how to drive traffic and sales with YouTube marketing. Now, the strategy is very simple. You just create videos to get in front of your audience, and then you funnel visitors back to your website with links over the video, like this, a YouTube card, or a link in the description. But you might be unclear about what are the type of videos that you can make, and that's why I want to take you through 3 examples here for really 3 different strategies and 3 types of videos that you can make, and then you can really pick from the 3 what is the strategy that's going to suit you best. So the first example here is Luxy Hair. Very interesting company. They are a hair extensions company, and they have built a 7-figure business off the back of YouTube. Here is a great example of how they're doing that. They have a video here, 3 lazy hairstyles. It's got over 500,000 views, and this is essentially an educational video, and that's the first type of video that you can create on YouTube, just an educational video showing your potential customers or your current customers how to do something and how to do something that features the product. So you can see here in the description, she says, in today's video, I'm wearing this ombre chestnut hair extension to add volume and length. So in these educational videos, she is essentially featuring the product and showing potential customers and existing customers really what to do with that product. And so it's just a great video. Educational content is huge on YouTube. Over 70% of the searches are like how-to searches. People really come to YouTube to learn how to do things. YouTube is the 2nd biggest search engine in the world after Google. So people really come here to learn. So having this educational type video is an extremely good strategy. You don't always have to feature a product. You may not have a product, but you can educate people how to do certain things and then redirect them back to your website, or if they want to learn more. Essentially, you want to give them a taster of what they can learn, and then if you can teach them more, well, then redirect them back to your site or product. So you can see that in the video here, they have what's called a YouTube card, which really shows people how to buy the product right now. So that's a direct drive to sales on their e-commerce store. And also then here in the description, they have a link to the store. And if we open this up, you can see we're straight into this store, and there's that strong call to action: shop hair extensions, get longer, thicker hair. So a great call to action from their YouTube videos. So the first type of video that you can make is educational videos. It's an extremely good strategy for YouTube. Now let's have a look at the second type of video that you can create. And this is an example here from GoPro. So the second type of video is really brand storytelling, and GoPro do this extremely well. You can see that they have a video here, Fireman Saves a Kitten. You could probably see the huge appeal of this, 38 million views. GoPro have 5.2 million views on, or 5.2 million subscribers. So their strategy is working very well, and really these story brand telling videos are people just living their tagline, which is be a hero. So this is a perfect example of somebody obviously using their product to film this video, and then they are featuring their customer on their YouTube channel as an example of someone living their brand message. And even if we come down, original video. So the original video was someone who just uploaded this onto YouTube, and then they obviously just reached out and said, hey, could we feature you? We'll maybe edit it up, etc., and put it on the channel. So maybe not every video, you're not going to be able to, you don't have a GoPro company, but the idea is that you could feature customer testimonials, customer stories, success stories. Those are other types of videos that you can put on YouTube to directly show you're the brand of your company, and then get them, you can see here, learn more about our cameras, so they're driving people back to the website. You can do the same thing, learn how you can be successful as well. Now, the final type of video that you can create on YouTube to drive traffic and sales for a product or service is entertainment type videos. Now, these are probably the hardest type of videos to make for a business, but one example of somebody doing this really well is VAT19. They are an e-commerce store, and they make videos, entertaining videos, really featuring their products. So, will it blend world's largest gummy bear? So pretty bizarre type video for an e-commerce store. But essentially, they just do crazy things with the products that they feature, and then they have a link to their store here, where you can buy any of the products that they're issuing. So you can also make entertaining style videos to really feature your product or your service, or how you can help people. So this is extremely interesting. You can also see they link off to Amazon, so you could do this thing and link off to Amazon and earn affiliate commissions that way from YouTube. That's another strategy. So it's just very interesting to see that there are three main types of videos that you can do. These educational type videos, which really play into the search engine on YouTube, the brand storytelling type videos, and the entertainment type videos. So have a think about which type of video that you could create to promote your product or service or personal brand.